A teacher announces that grades will be 40% of a student's project score and 60% of the final exam score. So just to decompose this, if you want to know your grade, it'll be 40% of, let me get a different color there. It'll be 40% of your project score plus 60% of your final score, final exam score. Now we suppose a student gets an 86 on the project. What scores can she get on the final to get a course grade of at least 90? So this just sounds like an inequality, but let's see if we can figure out how to set this up. Well, let's use this first bit of given information right here. And we'll call the project score, we'll call that P. I hope that's not too high up. And we'll call the final exam score, we'll call that F. It sounds bad to say the final exam score is F, but no, we'll just go with those two. So if we want to know our final grade is going to equal 40%, which is 0.4, times our project grade, plus 0.6 of our final. So this would be an expression, and we could, if we knew our project score and we knew our final score, we would just use this equation right here to find our final grade. Now we say if a student gets an 86 on the project, so now we have our project score, 86. What scores can she get on the final to get a course grade of at least 90? So we want our grade right here. We want however we compute our grade, we want it to be greater than or equal to 90, and it's 90%. Well, let's stay with let's just say with 90, because we're staying with 86 right here. We're not using a percentage, so let's keep it like that, and you'll see why. So we said it's 86 on the project, so 0.4 times 86 plus 0.6 of the final. And we're almost done, because look, we have this inequality right now, and it did ask what score do we want to get on the final, right, which is our F right there, in order to get a course grade of at least 90. So if we solve this inequality for F, we will get a minimum grade that the student needs to get on her final in order to get a 90 on her grade for the course. Okay, so now let's do the algebra. We have 0.4 times 86. So let's do that. 0.4 times 86. That's 34.4. Let's keep it in black now. What did I just say? 34.4. I just did that multiplication. 90 plus 0.6f, and let's subtract 34.4 from each side, and that does not flip our inequality. That's what we should be most concerned with. Now let's subtract that. Well, we always cancel in red. I like canceling in red. And over here on the right hand side we have 0.6f, and 90 minus 34.4 is 55.6. Right, you can double check that. Good. Now the next step is to divide both sides by 0.6. Again, that doesn't do anything to change our inequality. And 55.6 divided by 92.6, 92 point, let's say 92.7. 92.7 is less than or equal to F. So the answer is she needs at least a 92.7% on her final for, I'm going to assume 90 is an A, for an A. I hope that was clear. Let me know by comments or email if I made some algebra mistake. Odds are I did.